Right foot right. Feet in the morning, feet at night. Left foot right. Wet foot, dry foot, high foot, low foot, high foot. Look. Front feet, back feet, red feet, black feet. Left foot, right foot, feet. How many feet you meet? Slow feet, quick feet, trick feet, sick feet. I want you to hold the blankie. I want you back now. Up feet, down feet, here come clown feet. Is that video or small feet, big feet, here come big feet. And look, here, look. Over here, hey, look. His feet, her feet, fuzzy, fur feet. In the house and on the street, how many feet you meet? Up in the air, feet over a chair, feet.